Hi everyone, this is Boombi. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Today I will show you how to make paneer. Believe me my friends, making paneer at home is not at all hard. With just two basic ingredients you can make the most wonderful paneer that will melt in your mouth. So let's get started. You need a heavy-bottomed deep pot for this recipe. Add 2 liters of milk and keep it on medium heat. You need to use whole milk for making paneer. Low-fat milk 2% or 1% won't work, as it is the milk fat that actually separates into curds and whey. So more the fat, more will be the yield of your paneer. Keep stirring frequently so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Allow the milk to come up to a full boil. Okay, so the milk has come up to a boil. Now if you want to make regular paneer, then switch off your stove and proceed on to the next step. But I will be making malai paneer today. Malai is cream, so addition of cream will make a richer and softer paneer. Reducing the heat to low, I added half a cup of heavy cream. Stir for about 1 or 2 minutes. Again, you need to add cream only if you plan on making malai paneer. After 2 minutes, switch off your stove. Now we will add the acid medium that will help the milk to curdle. I am using lemon juice. You can even use lime juice or white distilled vinegar. Add the lemon juice a tablespoon at a time. Here I would like to say that please do not stick to the exact measurement of lime juice that I used, as you may need less or more. Adding too much of lemon juice will also result in a rubbery texture. So always add a tablespoon at a time and stir slowly. I cannot see any curds being formed yet, so more lemon juice is needed. Now you can start seeing a difference in the appearance of the milk. Finally, you can now clearly make out the curds being separated from the whey. So let's go to the next step. Now you need a bowl. Keep a colander on top of the bowl. Lightly dampen a large piece of cloth and place it on the colander. Then very carefully drain all that stuff onto it. Gather all the sides of the cloth. I usually use that whey while making curries or dal. Instead of adding water, I use this whey. Nothing goes to waste when it comes to Boombi. Next, rinse under cold tap water. In this way, you get rid of that sourness of the acid used, and it also stops the cooking process, resulting in softer curds. Gently squeeze out that extra water by squeezing the cloth, without putting any pressure on the curds. Next, again take a clean bowl. Again put a colander on top of the bowl. Put the paneer on top of the colander. And then put a weight on top. Do not add too much weight, as that will lead to a dry paneer, and the weight I am using is refusing to do this odd job. Okay, so now forget about it and let it sit like this for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, it's time to release the paneer. It will be quite soft at this stage. I wouldn't recommend you to cut it at this stage, but my impatience to show you dominated here. It is too soft now, so please do not even try to cut it at this stage if you want to make curries. Keep it in the refrigerator in an airtight container for a minimum of 6 hours. Overnight will be better. After 6 hours, see how the paneer has firmed up and it becomes so much easier to cut. Homemade paneer have a softer texture and tastes so much better than store-bought ones. You can store this paneer for 2 days in the refrigerator, but not more than that. You can make wonderful malai paneer koftas with this. Please check out my malai paneer kofta video coming up next. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.